How to create a Roblox game step by step. To create a Roblox game, first of all, you simply have to download the Roblox Studio. So go ahead and open your desktop's web browser because this feature is not yet available for mobile devices. You have to be on your desktop. And once you launch the desktop browser, tap on that search bar, then search for roblox.com or Roblox Studio. Once you are here within the Roblox Studio panel, you simply have to tap on the Start Creating option, then launch the installed Roblox Studio program on your desktop and log in using your standard Roblox account, username, and password. Then choose a base plate by simply clicking the New tab. From there, you can build your 3D environment. You can insert parts, transform shapes, anchor objects, and use the toolbox. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.